I love sex, and I love having sex on my period, but I hate having messy period sex. Once a month, I consider a towel, stained sheets, uncomfortable shower sex, or just no sex at all. Guess what, period? You're not the boss of me, and I want to have sex whenever I feel like it, without the mess. And now I can. Cue the Flex Disc, a menstrual disc that's radically changed my life in the bedroom, and kitchen, and shower. Before Flex, my period was complicated and messy. Sheets were ruined, underwear was stained, I suffered severe cramping, and I couldn't even sleep through the night. I'd quietly accepted the fate of my monthly period that sent me sheepishly to the bathroom every few hours. Now, my period isn't perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better. Flex offers 12 hours of leak-free protection, so you can sleep, swim, exercise, and have sex. Anytime, anywhere. Ready to get back in bed? Great. Here's a more in-depth look at how it works. To insert the disc, pinch it in half and then use your thumb to guide it towards the vaginal fornix, the widest part of the vagina. This means it won't put pressure on the vaginal wall like other products. Time for less cramping and more benefits. When it's time to remove, sit on the toilet. Then hook your forefinger under the disc's rim and pull it forward, keeping it parallel to the floor. Once it's removed, empty it and discard. If you want to get sexy without getting messy, learn more about Flex Disc and its easy-to-use benefits and features. Click the link below to try Flex Disc today and get it delivered to your door for free.